Minsan talaga may mga underrated resto sa San Pablo na deserve ma-discover ng mas maraming tao. And this resto is definitely one of them. Saan? Tara! Hi guys! Bago pa nga dumami yung mga resto sa San Pablo, isa to sa mga nagpasimula ng dining scene dito sa Teachers Village, Sicolago Avenue. Andito tayo sa Samuel's Gastropub. Pagpasok pa lang parang fine dining na agad ang vibe, kaya hindi nakakapagtaka na madalas silang mabook para sa mga special events. But despite their elegant setup, very reasonable ang prices sa kanilang menu. Now ang question, kamusta ang lasa? Tara! Let's start with the appetizer platter. You'll definitely enjoy their nachos and fries, but what really stood out for me were the croquettes. Crispy and golden on the outside with rich and creamy potato filling and gooey mozzarella inside. Ang saya pa nung cheese pool, sobrang stretchy and satisfying panoorin. Their Caesar salad naman looks like your regular salad at first, but once you taste the dressing, dun mo talaga ma-appreciate. Creamy and flavorful, and it ties everything together. Next, their laksa is one of my favorites. Creamy yung coconut-based broth. A squeeze of lemon cuts through the richness of laksa and curry na nakakaginhawa pero may enough heat para hindi nakakaumay. Their classic solo ribs is one of the more affordable ribs dishes I've tried compared to other restos. Super tender, it practically fall off the bone, and it goes perfectly with their creamy mashed potatoes. If you want to try tomahawk without spending too much, this is probably one of the more affordable options since they offer a solo serving. It has a slight chew to it, but the inside stays juicy and flavorful. Ibang level ang lava plate kare-kare nila. Instead of the usual cuts, crispy pata ang gamit, kaya may crunch sa labas pero tender sa loob. Tapos serve on a hot plate, kaya may sizzle na nakakaboost ng appetite. Yung brown peanut sauce naman, it gives a richer, more unique flavor compared sa usual kare-kare. For desserts, they have this interesting fried suman, crunchy on the outside with a creamy ube filling inside, giving it a nice twist from the usual. The toro naman comes with syrup that adds extra flavor but isn't too sweet, so sakto lang and hindi nakakaumay. Since mainit lately, saktong pang palamig itong halo-halo nila. Creamy yung base with more ube flavor na talagang stand out, tapos ang daming langka na nagbibigay ng extra sweetness sa texture. May cafe rin sila and you should try their macadamia frap. Yung macadamia flavor ang standout, nutty and creamy and slightly sweet na perfect balance sa strong caffeine kick. May chocolate milkshake din sila na sigurado magugustuhan ng bagets. Creamy, chocolatey at sakto ang tamis. At kung birthday month mo, pwede ka rin mag-claim ng free slice of cheesecake. Just present your proof of birth para ma-avail. Kaya naman make every moment count at mag-dine na dito sa Samuel's Gastropub. Ayun lang, bye!